Ever wondered what these FinOps terms mean? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the world of financial operations and cloud computing, decoding the complex jargon that often leaves many scratching their heads. First off, we have anomaly management. This term refers to the ability to detect, identify, and handle unexpected cloud cost events to minimize their impact on the business. It's like being a detective spotting unpredicted variations in cloud spending that are larger than expected based on historical patterns. Anomaly detection systems like Sherlock Holmes with his magnifying glass use historical data to identify these anomalies. The more sophisticated systems even incorporate forecast and event data for greater accuracy. Next up is commitment-based discounts. These are discounts offered by cloud service providers in exchange for a promise to use a minimum level of resources. Think of it as a loyalty program. The more you commit, the more you save. The break-even point is closely related to this. It's the estimated time it takes to fully pay off the cost of a commitment-based discount. Then we have data sources, the sources from which native cost data can be derived. Imagine them as the wells from which we draw the vital information we need. Chargeback is another key term. It's an allocation strategy that assigns IT spend to user teams. Imagine a pie, and each team gets a slice based on their usage. Showback, on the other hand, reports actual consumption of IT services to business units. It's like the receipt you get after a meal detailing exactly what was consumed. Amortized cost is a term that takes into account upfront fees for cloud resources and distributes them based on usage. It's like buying a car on installment. You pay a bit each month rather than the whole cost up front. A budget, as many of you might already know, is an estimate of planned revenues and expenses within a specific time period. It's your financial roadmap for a set period. BVA, or budget versus actual, is a reporting exercise used to measure the accuracy of a forecasting model. It's like your GPS comparing your planned route with your actual route. Finally, capitalizing means something becomes an asset of the company. It's like buying a house. It's a big investment, but it becomes an asset that adds to your net worth. So, to summarize, we've taken a deep dive into the world of FinOps, decoding terms like anomaly management, commitment-based discounts, data sources, chargeback, showback, amortized cost, budget, BVA, and capitalizing. Remember, understanding these terms is a stepping stone to mastering the world of financial operations and cloud computing. Knowledge is power, and with this newfound power, you're well on your way to becoming a FinOps whiz.